Hello everyone, I am Alianza, your health informer. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this channel guys, we're talking more about health tips and health benefits. Gusto ko lang ibahagi sa inyo ang kunti kong kaalaman about sa health natin. Kung bago pa kayo dito sa channel ko, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell para updated kayo lagi kung meron akong bagong upload na video. So let's go na guys, pag-usapan na natin ang topic natin today about pelvic pain. What is pelvic pain? Pelvic pain refers to pain in the regions of women's reproductive organs. It can be present in all sexes. And pelvic pain might be a symptom of infection or arise from pain in your pelvic bone or non-reproductive internal organs. But in women, pelvic pain can very well be an indication that there might be a problem with one of the reproductive organs or their pelvic area, like uterus, ovaries, fallopian tube, cervix, and vagina. There are many reasons why you may develop pelvic pain, including appendicitis, bladder disorders such as urinary tract infection, sexually transmitted infection, kidney infection or kidney stones, intestinal disorders, nerve condition, hernia, broken pelvic bones, psychogenic pain, a pain related to stress, or psychological traumas from the past. We will talk about the bakit sumasakit ang balakang ng isang babae, like pregnancy, ectopic pregnancy, miscarriage, pelvic inflammatory disease, ovulation, menstrual cramps, ovarian cysts, or other ovarian disorders, uterine fibroids, cervical cancer, ovarian cancer. Yung mga sinasabi ko na yan guys ay masyado na siyang complicated. Sinasabi ko lang na ang pelvic pain ay maraming causes. Kaya pag nararamdaman nyo ang pelvic pain, sakit sa balakang, kailangan magpa-check up kayo kasi marami siyang indication. So what is the symptoms related to pelvic pain? There is vaginal bleeding, spotting or discharge, menstrual pain, dysuria, painful urination, bloating or gas, rectal bleeding, pain during sex, fever or chills, hip pain. Ayun ang mga symptoms guys ng pelvic pain. The treatment of pelvic pain depends on several factors. Sometimes pelvic pain is treated with drugs including antibiotics. Surgery, if the pain the issue with one of your pelvic organs, the treatment might be surgery or procedures. Living with chronic pelvic pain can be stressful and upsetting. How to treat pelvic pain at home? Take over-the-counter pain relievers like non-steroidal inflammatory drugs like ibuprofen or naproxen sodium can help to reduce the swelling that leads to pelvic pain. Acetaminophen can also ease the pain. So that is over-the-counter. Make time for exercise. Exercise helps increase blood flow and may reduce your discomfort. So, kailangan mag-exercise kung may time. Place a heating pad or warm compress over the area or take a long soak in a hot bath. Stop smoking. Tobacco products can inflame nerve and cause pain. Isa din yan na nakaka-cause ng mga pain natin sa katawan, ng smoking. Take supplement if the pain symptoms are due to vitamin or minerals deficiency. Supplements could help soothe your discomfort. Just talk to your healthcare provider. Practice relaxation exercise. Yoga, mindfulness, or meditation can reduce stress and tension. Limit activities like stand or walk for long periods of time. Eat more fiber is helpful if your pelvic pain is due to diverticulitis. Exercise regularly. Staying physically active helps keep your joints and muscle in good condition. Stretch your muscle, warm up before exercising to reduce the rest of pelvic pain. Visit your healthcare provider. Routine examination can help to detect early issues before getting worse. That's why sinasabi ko, prevention is better than cure. So, kung may mararamdaman, magpatingin ng doktor agad para magamot yung nararamdaman. When to see a doctor? If you have pain that develops suddenly, especially if pain is so severe that it disrupts your daily life. If symptoms are severe, you need to go to emergency like this pain. Pelvic pain is sharp, severe, or sudden. You're unable to stand up straight. There's blood in your urine or poop, fever, you're pregnant or have been pregnant in the last 6 months, yan ay magpunta ka na ng emergency kung yan ay nararamdaman mo. Hanggang dito na lang tayo. Kung bago pa kayo dito guys sa channel ko, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell para updated kayo lagi kung mayroon akong bagong upload na video. At kung may gusto naman kayong itanong guys, kayo dito sa topic ko, mag-comment lang kayo dito sa baba. Pangalagaan natin guys ang health natin kasi yan lang ang tanging regalo ni God sa atin. Remember guys, health is wealth. Nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng subscribers at non-subscribers, lalo na sa mga silent viewers ko, sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa video ko. Maraming salamat sa inyo sa pagsuporta dito sa channel ko. Pagpalain po sana tayong lahat. Bye guys and God bless sa ating lahat. Thank you for watching!